Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am here with a very good opportunity at Myntra company. Okay, so position is image editor. So like it is just like a very simple job. Okay, and job location is Bangalore, but for now it is work from home only. Okay, as you all know about the Myntra. Okay, so we will directly check the roles and responsibilities. If you want to know more bit information about Myntra, then you can read this. Roles and responsibilities are check lighting of imagery, then check images, ensure that the exact color of the article type is captured, fit images within the prescribed grid lines, check overall image for hygiene factors, example dirt on the background, provide support in the studio in selecting final raw images and update necessary trackers. Okay, qualification and experience, they have not mentioned anything here. So if you are fresher, if you are experienced, if you have from like mechanical background, electrical background, there are no restrictions of any background, any pass out here. Okay, behavioral competencies, willingness to stretch, should be a team player, adherence to timelines, should be flexible with timings, and functional competencies, proficient in image editing tools such as Photoshop. Okay, you should know about Photoshop, but I can tell you one thing that whenever you will apply, then you will get the mail from recruitment team, and don't sit directly, but you can search for the tutorial in the Google. You can search about the Photoshop, get just knowledge from there. Okay, related to Photoshop, because in the job description they have already mentioned that they need the Photoshop image editor candidate. So it will be helpful for you whenever they will ask any interview questions. Okay, should be comfortable in using shortcuts. Okay, so this is also one highlighted point that I can tell you, that you can search in the Google like Photoshop tutorial, or how to use, or which are the shortcut keys for the Photoshop. So like that. Okay, then you should have good communication skills, ability to work on high targets of data, eye for details. Okay, so so get the knowledge for the Photoshop editing tool. Okay, so this is for image editor job, and if you want to apply, then you can apply from this here. Okay, just give these details, attach your resume from here. No need to attach this cover letter if you are fresher experience, nothing else. Then select the appropriate answer here. Then if you have experience, then it is good for you, that will be the advantage from your end. If you have done like suppose certification in the Photoshop, that will be a very plus point from your end. Okay, so fill this form and submit application. You will get this link in the description box below. Okay, so apply now, and thanks for watching this video.